Can XRP hit $16 a token? Breaking out, approaching new all-time highs at $2.66. Politicians are buying XRP for the first time ever. Ripple has bought over $250 million worth of companies, and JP Morgan, one of the largest banks in the world, is predicting an XRP ETF. Let's discover crypto. Now, a lot of you are probably staring at the XRP charts today as it is blowing all expectations out of the water. So at the end of today's video, I'm going to be breaking down what I think is the best analysis I have seen on XRP yet. But starting off, for the first time ever, a US politician has purchased XRP. Representative Guy, yeah, that's his name. Not even going to try to pronounce his last name here, Reschenhaller, disclosed up to a $15,000 purchase of XRP. As you can see here, on December 11th of 2024, he bought upwards of 15K worth. Now, why would a politician be buying XRP near all-time highs? Well, maybe just like myself, he is realizing there is way more to Ripple and XRP than meets the eye. Starting off with Ripple buying a massive amount worth of companies, $250 million worth. So what is the strategy here with XRP? Why is Ripple doing this? Well, as one of the founders who sold their company to Ripple, Austin King here on X, is explaining exactly what he believes they're building towards. It all comes down to one of our biggest predictions on this channel, which is tokenization and how banks will leverage blockchains in the coming years. He'll be covering two acquisitions. He covers two acquisitions in particular that position Ripple to seize this opportunity. What is the first component of the strategy? Medico acquisition. Banks can now give their customers access to crypto products via Ripple's custody service. This is also why they have launched RLUSD. Already banks like Citibank, HSBC, BNP, and others, there's already multiple banks using the platform, but what is the strategy once banks are onboarded into these custody services? Well, standard custody acquisition. Another massive purchase, banks will now be able to tokenize assets on the XRPL, all through RLUSD, which is Ripple's first tokenized asset, and soon Ripple will begin to offer tokenization as a service to banks. Next, they're going to be planning on expanding these tokenized assets across the entire on-chain economy. But wait, if the asset leaves the XRP ledger, what is the point of all of this? Well, as broken down in this diagram, he shows that Ripple's strategy here is to turn the XRPL into the tokenization hub for banks worldwide. With this, they can add fee mechanisms from tokenization that are far more profitable than transaction fees. The future for XRP is transaction fees and tokenization fees. Ripple bought his company because they were focused on interoperability, and with my current company, Omni, I want to support the XRP ledger's opportunity to expand banks' tokenized assets across all chains. It's funny because he just sold his company to Ripple to build another product for Ripple. Absolutely love it. You are early right now. With the incoming Trump administration, the pace of progress is about to accelerate substantially. And I have to agree with him entirely, as JP Morgan, one of the largest banks in the world, has tons of controversy as XRP holders are very well known aware of. JP Morgan predicts Solana and XRP ETFs could attract $3 to $8 billion in new investments if approved. And this has analysts going berserk. Analysts are seeing a $10 XRP by March of 2025 if they have a victory with the SEC. Javen Marks on X is posting that the next phase for XRP can lead to $16.50 if it were to repeat history. And another full run similar to its previous cycle can lead to up to over a 7,200% move from here, or $111. Now, I have to say right now, I believe this is way too bullish. This isn't even just optimistic. This is excessive in that price action. But again, you guys know, I was wrong about XRP. I thought it would peak at anywhere between $1.20 to $1.50 this cycle, already doubling those expectations. But Zero Ica here, a great technical analyst on Twitter, posted what I believe is the greatest breakdown I have ever seen on XRP's price action here. So what we're looking at is going to be the chart of XRP.
If you're using cold storage, don't use the bootleg products out there. Stick with the best so your portfolio is also going to be the best and the most secure out there. And we're talking about Arculus cold storage with their new sleek premium metal cards. They have all different types and styles, embedded, metal veneer, metal hybrid. Imagine the looks around the table when you slam down your 21-gram full metal cold storage card. Everyone's going to be in shock. Everyone's going to be in awe. And it's not just your portfolio bags. It's how you're securing securing it with the Arculus cold storage. Make sure you use code DC20 to save you 20%.
To the left here, you can say this was an HTF inbounds left behind in 2017, which contained bearish orders in the $2.60 range. It's been fully mitigated, producing plus 500% move if you're holding XRP from the bottom and not taking any profits. Now, he's got multiple Fibonacci levels on the screen right here. His most bullish case for XRP in his perspective would be around $4.40. And this box above here is calculated on a full macro swing and represents a very optimistic target. If reached, this individual would be taking and recommending selling the majority instead of risking to a round trip back into the bear market. If reached, expect statements like XRP is becoming the future of digital payments, $10 to $20 next. Trump and Brad are having a secret intimate dinner discussing about XRP taking over the entire world. He is talking about market euphoria. Now, this is interesting to me because if XRP is at $4.40, what some of you might think is not too far along, you have to realize that is hundreds of billions of dollars entering the crypto space. So we're talking potentially trillions of dollars across the spectrum of crypto, which could lead us to finally that euphoric stage that everybody has been waiting on. But cleaning the previous all-time highs right now is the focal point. So $2.90. If XRP were to break past that, which it is looking like it wants to approach right now, almost at $2.70, if it were to grab that, it would mean you're likely going to retest for the first time since 2017 the all-time high of $3.31. Now you can pause to read his entire analysis on the screen right now. But I'm curious to hear from you guys in the comments right now. A lot of you have been holding XRP between 30 to potentially 80 cents, and you've been holding for what has been potentially 8 consecutive years. So let me know in the comments, what are your XRP price predictions? What are you expecting out of the 2025 bull run? Because no matter the outcome here, guys, if XRP is at $4 or if XRP is at $10, we are making a lot of money together. And of course, let us know what you think comes first, an XRP spot ETF or a Solana based ETF.